Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Nat TV. Today, we're going fishing for bass at a service pond. I want to relive the feeling of reeling fish onto the shore. This pond has just stocked 1 ton of fish. The fishing fee is $46 for 4 hours. The market price for fish is $4 per kg. This bass fishing outing not only brings joy, but also helps participants improve their skills in rod control and bait selection. By using a 2.7 grams soft plastic lure on a jighead hook, anglers can feel the subtle vibrations when a bass starts to bite, requiring both finesse and patience. Notably, due to the well-managed and maintained fishing pond, the fish tend to bite frequently, providing anglers with ample opportunities to hone their techniques and reel in catches. Furthermore, the lush scenery of the pond creates a relaxing atmosphere, helping to relieve stress after long workdays. This is also an opportunity to connect with friends or family, sharing joyful moments as the fish keep biting, creating memorable experiences. For those passionate about fishing and seeking an ideal fishing space, this rental pond is definitely a top choice, perfectly combining entertainment and sport. Goodbye everyone, see you in the next video. Remember to follow me. Thank you.